Hey Remarkable Lifers, this is Craig.
And this is KJ.
And we're covered in mud.
Hey, today we are going to Spa Balneario in San Juan, Cosala.
Looking forward to this.
Everyone knows I love coffee. When I go to this extreme...
Yes, you do it every morning with the old coffee grounds.
I know I do. It's wonderful. Good for the head. The beard. The beard. Exfoliate.
Can they pull it just directly from this right here, because that scares me. So that was the thermal spa. We're gonna go get cleaned up now, take a shower, get in the little whirlpool tub so that cleans you off.
So make sure you like, subscribe.
Yes, like, subscribe.
Hit the like bell.
So hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and on YouTube. Oh my God.
We're supposed to be doing this.
Yeah.
We're not supposed to be doing this.
Okay.
This is what you want me to say. I keep screwing it up.
That was perfect.